Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back. Tonight it was a very quiet night on the pound Aussie. I got to trade the Forex tonight. This morning I didn't get to do any futures trading, so I thought I would do some Forex trading tonight and then record it for you guys. So you'll have the recording. So it was a pretty quiet night actually. Just on the pound Aussie, you could see it was like, yeah, the range is like 36 pips, or even if you go, this is this bar right here, dashed bar. It's from what do you call it? 7 o'clock onwards. So you can see the Asian session was very quiet. It was just basically, for relatively speaking, for pound Aussie, 40 pip range. That's a very slow moving day. And on the news side, yeah. So on the news side, you can see there was no high impact news tonight. So because of that, nothing really crazy. All the high impact news was basically skewed towards the morning. So tonight there wasn't really that much high impact news to affect the price. And so the main drivers, at least from what I saw, were the technical levels. Again, I use market profile levels. Which is the based on market profile indicator. And then so I was just waiting for a retracement back to this low volume node, and actually this low value area represented by this pink line. And then yeah, I was just waiting for a pullback to get in on just a quick entry, to go for maybe like 10-20 pips and then call it a night. And that's usually what I do, and that's exactly what happened. So if we review where I got in at 1.78240. So 1.78240 right there. So basically price was coming down, trying to test this low value area low. And then what happened was I got in. There was a 2 pips spread on it, so my order got filled at 1.78240, so about there. And then it went for, we're looking at this price, 1.78353. So 1.78353, that is 52. So that's about 353. 1.3. What's 3? Yeah, it's about 12 pips. So nothing spectacular, but nevertheless, 12 pips of profit. That's about $1. Trading 0.5% risk on a $700 account. So the profit is about $1. That's gross again. So minus commission might be 0.97, very close to $1. But yeah, I mean, I just got in for a quick scalp, because again, it's in the evening. Things either tend to move quite a bit if there is high impact news, or if there's no high impact news, then what happens is things are very quiet, range bound till London open around 2-3 a.m. in the morning, and you just don't want to be in that trade you don't want to turn it into a swing trade, as I've said in previous videos. So I got my profits, and then I just pulled out, and that's it. I called it a night. So yeah, that's it. And then what I will do for you guys, you'll see the highlights, how everything transpired. And then what I will do in the tomorrow, maybe I might get a trade in tomorrow for futures. If not, then I'll upload a video on this week's earlier futures trade, which was pretty cool, and then you'll see that as well. And yeah, so for my Fiverr audience who've bought my trade plan on Fiverr, today was actually a pretty good day for another training video. So I'm gonna turn this also into a longer training video that I should hopefully get out to you guys by next week or so. So I got 2 training videos to create for you guys. One was last night's trade, which I traded in news, and tonight's trade. So yeah, that's about it. And both turned out pretty positive, so all is good. And then I will see tomorrow morning or tomorrow early afternoon if I can get a futures trade in for you guys as well. In any case, as always, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to comment below or reach out to me, and then I'll see how I can help you guys. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.